Gloria be styling, why your haters wildin'? She be out here grinding, everything comes in timing. Click that button, subscribe, yeah. Catch this nice little vibe, yeah. Beautiful and blessed, she shine.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Glory B. You already know I'm back with another video. So I haven't did like a girl talk or like anything like that in a minute. So today I decided to do one, and by the title y'all know what we talking about. And I'm coming to y'all straight off the dome. This ain't no scripted stuff. This ain't nothing, you know, I done rehearsed. I'm giving it to y'all real and off top, because I need y'all to know how real this can be. So I'm in a whole nother relationship now, and after being in this healthy relationship that I'm in now, I kind of noticed a lot of things in the past that I dealt with in past relationships, and I just had to come to y'all with the truth and honesty about it all when it comes to toxic relationships and what I've learned. So I've been in a fair share of toxic relationships. The longest one I was in for like 4.5 years, 5 years, whatever. And it was just a whole lot of stuff going on. And to be honest, I was blinded. Love can blind you so bad. I'm not even lying. Like, love will have you like constantly forgiving a person, taking a person back, like taking a whole lot of stuff you wouldn't regularly take from other people, period. And so that's what was going on with me. I was just loving a person past their flaws, loving a person past their bad choices, loving a person over and over again. And it just wasn't, it was toxic. So overall, if I could ever go back, I would have put my foot down the first time and walked away the first time. And that's where we make a mistake at, ladies. We have to start walking away the first time. We have to start making them choices that we can't let people slide with stuff. We can't let people constantly get away with stuff, because the first time they do it, if you take them back, period, they gonna do it again, because they feel like they can get away with it now, because they know how they got caught the first time. This time they're gonna do it again, but they're gonna try to do it different, and you can't let that happen. You gotta put your foot down the first time. I've done it since toxic relationship. I've done it. Before I got with the guy I got with now, you won and done. The first time you do it, after I done told you I don't like it, or you shouldn't do it, this, that, or whatever, if you still choose to do it, I'm done. At the drop of a hat, I am done. And I'm telling you, it works, because they see you not playing, they see you was for real, and it helps you to kind of gain that pattern of not allowing people to do stuff and get away with it. Okay, you need to learn how to have respect for yourself to be able to say, I'm not accepting that and I gotta go, period. So like I said, with that, and then like with the fact that, you know, I had got to a place where I don't know why. Like, you get to a place where you don't even understand why you accepted some stuff. Like, now that I'm where I'm at now and I'm looking back, I'm trying to figure out, why did I accept some of the stuff that I did? Why did I accept the constant cheating, the constant lying, the bad habits, like the verbal abuse? Why did I accept it? So if you're in a toxic relationship right now, I want to ask you, why are you accepting it? What about what they're doing is making you stay? You crying about it, you hurting from it, it's messing with you mentally, emotionally, spiritually. So why are you accepting it? Like, what about it is helping you in any kind of way? And at the end of the day, you know the answer to that is that it's not. So you might need to evaluate on why you need to dip, why you need to go, sis, because he don't, honestly, a person can care about you, but it can be to where a person can care about you, but they don't care about you enough to love you. Because a person that loves you, they won't do certain stuff. You know, your parents will love you, but they still will say something to you because they care about you, and they don't want you doing certain stuff. They don't want you going down certain paths. But a person that only cares about you but they don't love you, it's a difference. Because a person can care about you, but if they don't love you, they don't have that type of will to say, I won't do certain things because I love her and I don't want to see her hurt. I don't want to see her crying. A man that really loves their woman, they're not gonna cheat on them. because they don't want to get cheated on. When you love somebody, you ain't gonna do stuff that you don't want done to you, and that's facts, period. So if a guy doing certain stuff to you, it's because he don't love you. And if he don't love you enough, then you need to dip. Because you still gonna accept certain things. You gonna think he love you because you love him. And that's where you gonna mess up at. You can't be with a person that you love more than they love you. Because you're gonna be taking a lot of stuff and giving a lot of stuff. And they gonna be taking a lot of stuff and they ain't gonna be giving enough. Facts. Take it from me. Take it from me. I've been there. So don't feel bad though. Don't feel like, man, like, you know, what about me? And is the reason why I'm taking this. Don't blame yourself for nothing. If you with a man and he cheating on you and you ain't never cheated on him, you're not the problem. If you with a man and he constantly lying to you when all you've been begging for is the truth, you're not the problem. If you with a man that's sitting there and, you know, not doing what he's supposed to be doing, you're not the problem. They are. The only problem that you have is that you need to walk away. That's what you need to do. And so, like I said, as I've been reflecting and just thinking about certain things, you know, I'm so glad that I'm not, you know, in that place anymore. And I'm so glad that I will never get to that place anymore. And they say never, but I mean never. I will never accept some of that stuff that I did ever again. Because it led me to places in life where I shouldn't have had to go. It led me to places mentally where I shouldn't have had to go. But because I was constantly trying to love a person, they took me down a road I didn't have to go on. I wasted time trying to love a person, and it was toxic. I wasted time. And I could have been so much farther in life had I not been trying to chase love. That's exactly what it was. I was trying to fix somebody. And when I could have just been working on myself, and I could have been powerful for myself. A toxic relationship can just have you losing time. I would have never thought that I would have spent 5 years of my life dealing with that stuff. I would have never thought. This was from a time of 2015, 16, 17, 18, 19. I spent 5 years of my life with this. Like, I didn't have to do that, and you don't either. If you have spent this time, this is the time now for you to walk away. This is the time for you to say, I want better for my life. Especially if you got kids. I want better for my kids. This is the year. This is the time for you to chunk them deuces, pack your stuff, pack his stuff, whatever you got to do, and say no more. I promise you, like, do that and you will be better. Don't get me wrong. It's hard in the beginning too. And there's one thing I really want to talk about. Like, it be so hard in the beginning to let go, because it's like, man, I really love them though, and I done did this, I done did that, and you know, you start thinking about the good times, but you know, and then when you make that step to just say, I'm done, I'm through, it be so hard because you don't want to see them with nobody else. You distance yourself, but then social media can play a part in that too, because you'll constantly be checking their page or something like that. Or if you know they somewhere, you might ride by there to see if they there and stuff like that, and that's okay. Like, I don't know why people try to tell people don't be stalking them. Well, don't stalk. Yeah, don't do that. But if you want to check their page, check their page. Because if they don't care about you, it's gonna show on their page. When they start moving on and they post their new little thing, or they flirting with other females, you need to see that. Because you need to see why you need to move on and start living your life. You need to see them still out enjoying themselves. Because that's what you need to be doing too. You know what I'm saying? I hate when people say that. Like, don't look at their page, don't look at the page. I did that. When I left, I was looking at their page. And I kept checking and seeing, what are they doing? What did they post today? And in the end, I woke up one day and I realized I wasn't checking their page no more, because I started doing what I needed to be doing, and that was moving on. I got with somebody better, and I don't need to check their page. For what? You know what I'm saying? So that's just like a quick little talk. I ain't gonna be long with it. It's been like 10 minutes. I ain't gonna be long with it because everything that I've said, it's been so true. And I just want to leave that with somebody. I see women with it all the time. They like, I love him and I cannot leave them. Or it might be your baby daddy or something like that. Like, girl, it's other men out there, like, they will treat you good. You and your kids. Like, for real. Like, understand that. And I hope my wig ain't sliding back. But yeah, understand that. And sometimes you just got to treat yourself good. Like, you just got to become a boss by yourself. And that's okay too. Don't be afraid to be alone. Don't be afraid to that it might be a while before you find love again, or before you find that right person again. Because whatever time in between that it takes, that's the time you need to yourself. If you find somebody in a month, then that God sent you, then God sent them. But if it takes a year, then it takes a year. Don't spend time focusing on the time. Just spend time doing what you need to be doing. Find a new hustle. Find a new hobby. Learn how to do new stuff in between time. Learn about yourself. Read, detox, pray. Do all that stuff, because that's what you're gonna need to do. Take it from me. I'm telling you, the queen of a toxic relationship. I've been through it all. You know, I've been through it all, and I'm glad that in the end I'm standing on top. You know what I'm saying? I don't keep up with nobody in my past. You know what I'm saying? Their life is their life. Whatever they got going is whatever they got going. You know, and in the end, they gonna miss you, and it's their loss. And you gotta leave it at that. Move on with your life. Do what you need to do. Period. So I hope whatever I said, I hope that it really got through to anybody that's dealing with this type of stuff. And if anybody wants to talk about it, I'm open. I'm open. This is my testimony. This is part of my testimony. I don't mind sharing it with you guys, and I don't mind giving advice. Now, by no means am I trying to be somebody's counselor or nothing like that, but it helps to be relatable to people. And I'm very relatable about toxic relationships. And I know I can be silly and I can be goofy, but toxic relationships like nothing to play with, baby. Them things get deep. So I don't mind talking about it. So like I said, my inbox is open, my DMs is open, my Snap is open. Don't text my phone, because if you get my number and I didn't give it to you, something wrong. But not for real. I'm open. Comment down below if y'all, you know, got questions about this, or y'all want me to do a elaborate video about this. I promise you I can. Like I said, this stuff is deep. I got a lot to talk about with this, but this is just a short video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure that you like, comment, and definitely share this video, because it's somebody besides you that needed to hear this. But make sure that you share it, and I will see you guys in the next video. It'll be more videos dropping. Nothing is stopping nothing at the end of the day, period. Y'all still gonna get videos. It's still gonna be a great year. Don't worry about nothing. Don't panic. Just be cool. Just chill. You know what I'm saying? So I'll see you guys in the next video. Y'all be blessed, and peace.
I'm rocking with Gloria B. Show me what I need to see. Tell me who I need to be. Show me the God that's in me. I'm rocking with Gloria B. Show me what I need to see.